Hey there, outdoor enthusiasts. Today we're exploring some beautiful outdoor rustic kitchen patio ideas that are perfect for anyone looking to bring warmth, charm, and functionality to their backyard. Whether you're planning to entertain guests or simply enjoy the fresh air while you cook, these ideas will turn your patio into a rustic retreat. Let's dive in. The key to a rustic outdoor kitchen is all in the materials. Stone countertops, reclaimed wood, and brick ovens give a natural, timeless look that blends seamlessly with the outdoors. These elements add texture and warmth, making your kitchen feel like a natural extension of the landscape. Nothing says rustic like cooking over a wood-fired oven or an open grill. Not only does this give your space an authentic feel, but it also adds a distinct flavor to your food. Imagine gathering around the oven with friends, enjoying the smell of pizza or freshly grilled veggies. Delicious and inviting. Lighting is essential for creating the right ambiance. Hang some string lights, add lanterns, or even consider a fire pit for those cozy evenings. Warm lighting not only enhances the rustic feel, but also creates a welcoming space for nighttime gatherings. A solid wooden dining table is a must-have for any outdoor rustic kitchen. Choose something that's sturdy, with a bit of character, maybe reclaimed wood or distressed finishes. This is the heart of your space, perfect for sharing meals and creating memories with loved ones. Rustic style loves rugged natural floors. Stone or brick flooring not only looks great, but it's also durable and easy to maintain. These materials are perfect for outdoor spaces, giving your kitchen patio a cohesive, grounded feel that blends with the natural surroundings. Greenery is essential for bringing life to your rustic outdoor kitchen. Try potted herbs, hanging plants, or even a climbing ivy wall. Not only does this make your space feel fresh and vibrant, but it also allows you to incorporate natural elements directly into your cooking space. Rustic accessories bring it all together. Think vintage pots, wrought iron utensils, and woven baskets. These details add a touch of charm and functionality to your outdoor kitchen, enhancing that cozy, rustic vibe that makes the space feel like home. To make your space more versatile, consider adding a shelter or pergola. This not only provides shade on hot days, but also defines your kitchen area, giving it a cozy, intimate feel. Plus, it's a great spot to hang lights, plants, or decor that add to the rustic ambience. And there you have it, your dream rustic outdoor kitchen patio. With natural materials, cozy lighting, and a touch of greenery, you can create an outdoor space that's both functional and beautiful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite rustic decor ideas. Happy cooking, and we'll see you next time.